Hi everyone, this is our quiz project. Now I am showing the output of the quiz and all the features of the quiz. Yeah. This is our quiz page. Yeah, in the help, we will go to help. It will give us the information how to register, but it will show it by clicking register button. How to log in also it will get. If you want any support, we can click contact support here. Okay, now this is the toggle button which now we will start with registration. Here I am giving some name. Selecting some date of birth, and this is for selecting gender, and it will send OTP to the registered mail. Now we need to verify that mail is in working condition or not. It will send a 6-digit OTP to that mail. Yeah, I got that verification code. That is 933004 and verify. Yeah, this shows like the registration successful. Login. Now I am logging as a user. Yeah. This is the user dashboard. User can see all the quizzes published, all the published quizzes, and along with their name also, uh, who created the quiz. Okay, here this is the toggle button which allows us to change our interface mode like dark, white, like that and all. In the available quizzes, these are all the quizzes which are not attempted at least one time by the user. Let me check it once it works or not. In the dashboard, we have all the quizzes. For example, I have this. I want to attempt this once. This shows result like this. Okay, now in the available quizzes, we will check for the main quiz. Is it there or not? Yeah, we can see this here. There is no main quiz because we already attempted one time that. Okay, that's why this is not appearing here. That is the difference between these dashboard quizzes and the available quizzes. And this is the results which are attempted by the time. Let me check it once. The main quiz is allows retake or not. Yeah, it is allowing us to retake the quiz. Let me, yeah, we will see what's the difference between previous. Yeah, this is the latest score, which now it is calculated, and the start time. This is the end time. This is the time taken for submitting the quiz, and this is our previous score. Got it? This is our previous score. Like this, it will display back. Yeah, in the my results page, the user will be able to see the view details. Means it will display like this. Previous attempts also it will giving. In the analytics page, the user can see total quizzes attempted, average score, best score. This is the best score because we in the first attempt we got 2 out of 2. That's why this is the best average. We know we all are know how average means, and this is the variation main quiz for the first time. It will 100. Then it is decreasing to 50% because here we got out of 2 out of 2, here 1 out of 2. That's why this is the variation over time. These are the all quiz attempts. It will display all the quiz attempts and the time here. This is score distribution. High is 1. Here medium is 1. Because we are attempted only 2 quizzes, that's why it is showing 1 and 2. This is the high score and this is the median score. Here we can see a color difference between them. Yeah, high 80 to 100% marks will be considered as high, and 50 to 79% marks will be considered as medium, and less than 50 will be considered as low. Okay, now this is the profile. This is the user profile, username, mail, and the role of the user. It is displaying all. This is the leaderboard. From here, the user can compare his place to the remaining users also. Our current user place is third place. Yeah, okay, this is the edit profile. We can edit phone number like 79. I'm editing here. Update profile. Yeah. This is reflected here. Here previously here contain 8. Now it is changed to 9. Now this is the logout button. This is the about page. About page will contain the SmartQuiz features, mission, benefits, like that and all. This is the help page. How to take quiz and how to update profile and all. This is the contact page. We already seen this. Yeah. Okay. Now we will log out as user and we can log in as a admin. Yeah, now I am logging as admin. Yeah, we can observe that if we give invalid credentials, it will show like this. Okay, now we will go to one admin dashboard. Yeah, this is the admin dashboard. In the admin dashboard, the admin can see all the published quizzes. These are all the published quizzes. And in the manage quizzes, he will see all the quizzes. Either they may be published or not published. If they are published, it will show like this, published. If the quizzes are not published, it will show add questions like that. Now I want to edit this quiz. Yeah. publish equal to unchecked. Save. Here I am updating welcome to quiz. Yeah, we can observe that here it is updated, and these are all the questions, existing questions. We can also edit them. Tree here, the correct answer is D. I am making it as root. Okay, we can see that. Yeah, previously here we have tree. Now it is updated as root. Okay, if you want to add a new question to the quiz, we can also add this. For example, how much the answer? 5, 6. 5. Add question. Now we can observe that our question is added here. Okay, like that we can edit the quiz. The manage quizzes. We can also delete the quiz also. Now I am deleting this quiz. Delete quiz will give us a pop-up as delete. If you want to delete, it will. We are deleted quiz uploaded quiz. Now we can observe that the quiz is deleted successfully. And now I am going to create one quiz, namely text one. First we will see manual mode. This will allow us to create questions. Yeah, the correct option should be, yeah, this is added. And what's the answer here? 9. So now we can finish this quiz. Yeah, we can observe that here it will appear text one. If we click take quiz, these two questions are questions which are added now only. They are appearing like this. Oh, if we like this, submit. Yeah, this is the result. And we will go for creating a quiz text to 2. Now I am creating it by uploading a Excel file. Yeah. Here we can find this uploaded and created. You can observe that we are created text 2 by uploading a Excel file, but this is not there because that is not published. If you want to publish that, we can go for the text. This is the text which we are created now. Edit and then publish. It will appear in the, yeah, this is the quiz which is created in upload file mode. Okay, this is the analytics, admin analytics, total users of the SmartQuiz and the total quizzes created by the admin, most attempted quizzes of them, and the gender distribution. There are total users we can here 10. Among the 10, 4 are female and 6 are male. And these are the average time taken for top 5 quizzes. And this is the role distribution. Out of 10, 4 are admin and 6 are users. Like that. These are the users who attempted the admin's quizzes. That users will be displayed here like this. This is the admin profile. In the admin profile, he can see how many quizzes he created and all. He will also able to edit their profile. If I'm making this address to Guntur. Yeah, let me save it. Yeah, it is updated successfully. Now this is the AI. It will give us the If we want some information from that, it will give us yeah, it given respond to us. We will see it here. Okay, now this is the logout button. You know what is the use of that, and about the quiz and the contact next that and all. This is also seen in the users also dark mode for the purpose of this and that. Yeah, this is our smart quiz. And one more thing I'll miss is text. Or if we want to see the text filter or like that, we can also get quickly the quiz names. Here we have text. We are searching for text. This will show all the text named quizzes here. We can easily access them by selecting whatever we want. Yeah, this is our quiz. Now, thank you.